Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Oakley HOLSTON sunglasses. I think these are pretty new. It probably came out this year. So this one, I have two different colors to show you. First I have the code for the HOLSTON is going to be the OO9334. The color code for these are 10. This is going to be the matte brown Tortoise. With the Prizm Tungsten lenses. So inside you're gonna get, of course, your frames, the Oakley warranty booklet, the Oakley cloth pouch case, again, like most Oakleys, no hard case, which kind of is annoying, but whatever. So it is a nice looking frame. I thought it looked familiar, and when I looked it up on Oakley.com, they said this was they took the shape from the Jupiter Squared, which was an older Oakley frame that was very popular for many years. So that's why it looks familiar. But it has a nice finish. I do have, it's definitely extremely lightweight. Like, you won't feel this on your face. Then it also has these nice, what they call it, unobtainium nose pads, basically rubber nose pads in a way. So it'll help with the grip and not fall off your nose. With the sizing, it's definitely on the smaller side. It is a men's frame. But it's like a small medium. If you have a large head, these are not gonna fit, and there's only one size. But definitely, it'll fit most. But it's on the smaller side, so have that in mind. Let me just show you the inside a little bit. So it'll say HOLSTON, and then it'll have the model information, OO9334-1058. Technically the code is 10. They've been adding 58. Technically 58 is the size, so they always put 10 then the size. So if a model came with two sizes, let's say this came in a 55, it'll say 1055 instead of 1058. So a little helpful note there. So with the size, it's going to be 58mm lens width. It's going to be 16mm bridge width. 39.6mm lens height and 145mm tempo length. So with the matte brown Tortoise, the O icons are, it's going on gunmetal, maybe a little bit more silver at times. Well, it's kind of a gunmetal. I would say it has a lot more hint of silver. With the lenses, it's going to be the Prizm Tungsten, and these are not polarized. These retail for $156. I don't know if that's overpriced, but you're going to be paying for the brand name, of course. But like I said, these are very lightweight. It'll be really comfortable for like a casual use. Alright, so the other one I have is a polarized version. It's gonna be the code is OO9334-11, so the color code is 11. This one is the matte dark gray. So I'm not gonna show you what comes in it, same stuff. But I still have a gripe with Oakley, man. Like, if you're charging so much for your frames, include the fucking hard case. But whatever. So this one is a matte dark gray. I mean, I would say it's on a lighter side, but it's almost look like a bluish gray. So the lenses are the Prizm Black Polarized. So it says black, but it's basically a dark gray. I also didn't mention this, but on the temple ends here, it does say USA assembled. They started adding these icons, which is nice because sometimes they didn't even put where they were made. I mean, some of them in China, but you know. So this one says USA assembled, some will say USA made. So I assume when they say USA assembled, all the parts come to them and then they assemble it instead of the whole manufacturing process in the USA. So yeah, they're very lightweight. Also this one, the Polarized, cost $186. Again, you're gonna be paying for the brand name, guys. It definitely doesn't feel like $186, but well, you know, definitely the quality is there. You know, if you wanted a good frame, you know, everything's like to perfection. So, you know, you're still paying for a good brand name. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, please give it a like and also subscribe. Alright, have a good day, guys.